Hey, man.
Watch out!
Woodpecker.
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark inside, but get a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. The time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. Looking bird and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes and he told me where he was